Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5, English version, Math, Multiples and Factors chapter, Exercise 5. Exercise 5. Question number 6. There are more than 10 students. The teacher wants to equally distribute. So there are more than 10 students. More than 10. The teacher wants to equally distribute 42 bananas, 84 biscuits, and 105 chocolates amongst the students without leaving any remainders. Means there should be no remainder. To how many students can the teacher distribute the bananas, biscuits, and candies? We have to find a number that divides 42, 84, and 105, and that number should be greater than 10, because the students are more than 10. So once again, we have to find a number that divides 42, that divides 84, that divides 105. How we find that? We already learned the factors. Yes, factor is nothing but a number that divides another number. For example, factors of 42. Factors of 42, factors of 84, factors of 105. Factors of 42. Which are the factors of 42? The numbers that divides 42 without any remainder. 1 is a factor of 42, 2 is a factor of 42. What are others? 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. And factors of 84, which numbers divides 84 without any remainder? 1 divides 84, 2 divides, 3 divides, 4 divides, 6 divides, 7 divides, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42, and 84. Factors of 105. 1, 3. What are the factors? 1, because 1 divides 105. 3 divides 105. 5 is a factor. 7 is a factor. 15 is a factor. 21 is a factor. 35 is a factor. And 105 itself is a factor of 105. Now we have to find the common factors, because only the common factor will divide all these numbers. Okay, now let us select the common factor. 1 is a common factor. 3 is the next common factor. 7 is another common factor. 21 is the next common factor. And then no more. There is no other common factor. The only common factor 21 is more than 10. Therefore, teacher can distribute to 21 students. Answer is 21 students. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. I will get back to you soon. Allah Hafiz.